I will be delighted to see you on Brain Crypto channel when you return. Everyone is wondering if the XRP market has hit rock bottom. No one seemed to say anything. Meanwhile, things are moving along behind the scenes at a breakneck pace. In light of recent developments in a number of nations and an exciting price forecast, we will examine the current state of XRP. Are we going to see Bitcoin, XRP, and a slew of other altcoins crash before their eventual surge also? I'd like to address a common inquiry: is it a good idea to keep XRP? Has the peak slipped our minds keeping these coins, and nothing else? Is it worth it? Although we have come to the conclusion after much discussion on the channel that the SEC now wants the $2 billion returned, we remain optimistic about the future. Many investors are clinging to XRP in the hopes that the cryptocurrency's value will soar after the correct statement or action, which would prove their strong bullishness. In fact, I rank it among the top 10 cryptocurrency initiatives aiming to address a pressing global issue. In practical terms, what does that imply now? Last but not least, XRP will streamline blockchain money transfers for institutions, investors, and others. A major player in this bull run is XRPL, as I've already mentioned. In my opinion, that remains true. The market lost ground again today after gaining 2.5% yesterday. Now that it's practically gone, we're off to a bad start to the new week. In contrast, XRP might potentially regain the 50-cent threshold in the near future. What is going on? I have no idea. After a whale's enormous investment produced 30 million XRP tokens, the XRP community was absolutely apoplectic. The alternative coin's price, which had recently fallen, has risen to reflect the large transaction. Because of this, whales are continuing their practice of submerged trade. Not long ago, this occurred during my webcast about Bitcoin. My curiosity is piqued by the German government's recent substantial participation in Bitcoin's transparency and over-the-counter sales. The market's reaction, though, was absolutely mind-blowing. At the base, they began purchasing it once more. We really hope this doesn't happen, but several governments, corporations, and organizations are considering selling out their Bitcoin holdings. It has been quite a roller coaster, but XRP might be ready to turn around. A number of major events, such as the purchase of 30 million tokens by whales as the price rises, might advance the plot. Only one deal resulted in the substantial amount of 12.7 million. All decisions pertaining to SEC are now decided at the settlement level, as mentioned earlier. At Brad Garland House, you can have lively discussions about a variety of geological issues. Although everyone is taking a chance, the fines will be decided by Gary Gensler and his friends. My previous statement that I believe it's a wash stands. You can begin purchasing XRP immediately, and we will be successful if the settlement is approved. On the other hand, it can also turn out differently. The fate of XRP is uncertain, but as I mentioned before, the number of bull movements buying this coin is expected to increase in the future. It seems like Judge Annalisa Torres is getting closer to delivering that announcement. Check out the pricing at this second. A little drop in Bitcoin value. There are a number of factors at play here, including XRP's recent fall below 4,681 as support, a negative MACD, an oversold RSI, and a price of 42. Our break of the bottom support level provides more evidence that this reversal might be happening again. However, there are a few further steps to take in the event that you recover. With a dollar, it would be 35 cents, a little more than that, at 38 cents, or, more importantly, at roughly 40 cents right now. There are a few important details about XRP that you should remember. However, a lot of individuals are confident in XRP's future and expect its price to skyrocket. I stumbled into some intriguing price predictions on Coinpedia and thought you would enjoy them. Their forecasts might be realized in 2024 with the installation of a new chairman and a price surge beyond 70 cents if a positive breakout happens. As the new breakthrough begins, buyers have the opportunity to push the price of Ripple to the psychologically important $1 level. Nevertheless, that is not the final objective. 2.23 remains a potential target. As I've said before, the price of XRP is going to be heavily affected by the settlement announcement. It is utterly illogical to consider 2025 to 338 as a possibility all the way until 2030 to 16.25. Additionally, the level of detail we can get depends on the time frame we're working with. We can't predict the future of the cryptocurrency market, but if XRP works as planned, it might lead to global payments, broad institutional adoption, and kin systems that use it. Of course, it's doable, and the possibilities are limitless. However, the removal of his case from escrow and the settlement both require prompt action. The XRPL needs more development since it could trigger a massive shift in the market. A final attempt by Bitcoin to break the 72,000 barrier will not occur this week either. However, I think it's likely. Please share your opinions about XRP in the comment section. I value reader feedback. My deepest longing is for you to share a captivating story with me. May I ask, if you would like to modify the buying price, please consider subscribing and giving my channel a thumbs up. I will mourn the loss of your company soon.